In this video, I am going to explain homework problems in first chapter in 1.1 exercise 7th bit. Express each of the following decimals in p by q form where q not equal to 0 and p comma q are integers. In the second problem 15.4. First problem already completed. So 15.4 we have to convert into p by q form. See, 15.4 by instead of 0.1. Find after one digit is there, so we have to keep 1 0, then cancel the point. Point has been cancelled. Now this is 154 by 10. See, if cutting possible, we have to do cutting. We have to convert into simplest form. 2 7s are 14. Take 2 digits 15. 2 7s are 14. Out of 15, 14 has gone. 1 remains. 1 and 4 14. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. That is next is equal to 77 by 5. Next, fourth problem. Three point two five. 3.25. So write once again here 3.25 by instead of 0.1. Point after 2 digits are there. So write 2 zeros. This point we can cancel. Point has been cancelled. Then it is 325 by 100. So now cutting possible here 1 place 5, here 1 place 0. So up and down we can do cutting with 5. 5 6 is 30, 2 remains 25, 5 5 is 25. 5 2 is 10, 5 0 is 0. Again 5 table, 5 1 is 5, 1 remains, 1 and 5 15, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. 13 is prime number, so again cutting not possible. So this is equal to 13 by 4. Next we go to 8th bit. Eighth bit you see, I am reading heading, express each of the following decimal number in p by q form. Here also given decimals we have to convert into p by q form. But here decimals are different. Decimals given non-terminating repeating decimal. So first problem already completed. Second problem we see 3.8 bar. This decimal we have to convert into p by q form, fraction model. So given problem, let x is equal 3.8 bar means every time 8 is repeating 8 dash 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 dash. This is equation number 1. See here periodicity is equal to 1. We have to write periodicity. Periodicity is equal to under the bar. How many digits are there? 1 digit is there. So 1 we have to write. Periodicity is equal to 1. So this first equation we have to multiply by 10 on both sides. So first equation multiplying by 10 on both sides. So first equation take once here again, x is equal 3.888 dash dash dash. See, LHS side into 10, RHS side also into 10. Both sides we have to multiply by 10. Multiplying by 10 on both sides. 10 into x is equal to 3.888 dash 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 into 10. Now 10 into x, 10x is equal, this the decimal into 10, 3.8888 dash dash into 10. This point moves right to one digit. Whenever a decimal into 10, point shifts right to one digit. Point moves right to one digit. Now without point I write here. Actually point is here in previous step. Now this point moves right to one digit. This is equation number 2. Equation number 2. This is first equation. This is second equation. Now 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, second equation minus first equation. Okay, first I write here second equation. 10x is equal 38.88. 2 times there. Here many 8s are there. If you want one more time, we can write 3 times also. Why? Because in first equation point after 8 3 times there. So here also write 3 times dash 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 dash. Down first equation, x is equal 3.888 dash 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 dash. Second equation minus first equation. So we have to do subtraction. See, now dash minus dash 0, dash minus dash cancel. 8 minus 8 0, 8 minus 8 0. 8 minus 8, 0. Instead of point, 8 minus 3, 5. Instead of 3, 3 equal to 10x minus x. Here coefficient nothing means 1. 10x minus 1x is equal to 9x. 9x is equal 35. 0.000, no need here. 9x is equal 35. X is equal